Me and Brandon decided that we were going to start a little team and go racing. So year one, it was weekends only. We had 4 bikes and 2 guys, minimal maintenance. I've been with the team since the beginning, so I know the ins and outs of it. It's really cool to see the progression. From outside looking in, you look at all the other teams, you're like, man, I wish we could do that. I wish we could be there at that level. And I feel like, man, we're there at that level. We're coming for these guys. We're coming swinging. We're not, our first year, we were, let's get through the LCQ and let's get a top 10. Now we're, let's go after a championship and let's put it to these guys.
I actually started riding when I was 18 years old, and coming from Southeast Missouri, there's not a lot of tracks where I come from, so I got a call about 2 years ago from ClubMX asking if I wanted to be a mechanic, and there was never any thought of doing Supercross, and then it's been a dream come true. That's one thing that I feel like that I've kind of figured out, is how to bond with the rider as much as I can and kind of treat the guy like a brother. Me as a mechanic, I want to be the guy that says, you're doing great. You just keep doing what you're doing, trust the process, and it's going to happen.
Let's get this thing underway. It's a ClubMX Yamaha, and it is the 56 of Enzo Lopes who we just showed.
If you watch A1, he went P1 in the first qualifier, and you could tell like he sparked up. He's like, man, I didn't actually think that I would be one of these guys. And that was one of the things that we were trying to tell him this year was, man, you are one of the guys. You are one of the people that is competing for this championship. It's a huge step forward. That's the main thing. Enzo's actually not a picky guy, but he is pretty picky about his tires. He's picky about like tire pressure and the edges of the tires. So like he doesn't want a really used tire. He's gonna let me know like, hey, change these tires out. I've kind of gone out of my way to try to learn at least a little bit of Portuguese. Whenever he's looking at a pit board, if he can see just one Portuguese word, he knows where I'm at, and it just kind of gives him like a sense of home.
Look at this track, it's fresh right now. Dirtworks track crew, we gotta give it up to these guys.
It's crazy to think that I've never gone to schooling or anything like that. People always ask me like, hey, how do I get started? How do I get in this industry? And honestly, I couldn't tell you. I think I kind of lucked out. I think I was here at the right time.